At first, open ArcGIS Pro and the map project you want to work on. You can open a previous map project that you want to work on, or you can also just create a new map project to work on. Here I have opened my map project that I want to work on. Now to open the Python window, you click on Analysis, and here you can see an option called Python. Click on the drop down menu and click on Python window. Then this Python window appears. So this is called transcript, where you can see the code and the code result after you run a code. And this is where you write your code. For example, you can copy and paste your code like this. I have written my code in Notepad and then I just copied it. So now I will show you how you can save a copy of the file. So here my map is called EX2A. So I will just save a copy of the map. So this is my working folder. I'll copy the path and paste it here. I'll call the new file as ex2a copy 1. Indentation is a very important part of Python code, so you have to make sure that your indentation is correct. Also, when you copy the code from Notepad or any other text editor, the comma type may change, so you have to change it to the annotation sign that Python uses. So I have changed them. Now let's run the code. You see here the code has been run and the result is shown here that finished saving a copy of the file. Now let's check my folder if the copy is actually been saved. So this is my folder. You can see here ex2a copy 1 is here. So it has been done.